Ever heard of a treasure that comes from the belly of a whale? Meet ambergris, a rare and fascinating substance known as whale vomit. When whales consume hard-to-digest items like squid beaks, their bodies produce a waxy substance to protect their stomachs. Over time, this substance solidifies into a rare and valuable material called ambergris. Ambergris has a unique sweet and earthy scent that has been highly prized in the perfume industry for centuries. What's even more astonishing is how this whale vomit treasure can float on the ocean's surface for years before washing up on beaches. Ambergris comes in different shapes and sizes, and its value can vary, sometimes fetching tens of thousands of dollars. For more contents like this, be sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button.